Now start question number 2. In given figure, sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are extended to points P and Q respectively. Also, angle PBC less than angle QCB show that AC is greater than AB. This is given figure here. Now at first one is given here, given triangle ABC, triangle ABC in which AB and AC, AB and AC, AB and AC are extended to points P and Q respectively, and also given angle PBC and angle PBC is less than angle QCB. This is given. Now suppose this is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3. Now this is angle 4. Suppose this is angle 5. Or what is the name of angle PBC? PBC. The name of this angle is 4. Angle 4 less than angle QCB. Angle 5. Angle QCB, angle 5. It means angle PBC. This is angle 4 less than angle QCB. The name is angle 5. Now to prove is AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. Last step is proof. In triangle ABC, these 4 and 5 angles are actual angle of triangle ABC. So in triangle ABC, by using actual angle property, in triangle ABC, by using exterior angle property, angle 4 is the sum of opposite interior angle. This is called actual angle property. Angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 3. Suppose this is equation first. Again similarly, angle 5 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Suppose this is equation second. Now here given angle 4 is less than angle 5. From given angle 4 less than angle 5, substitute the value of angle 4 and angle 5 from first and second by using first and second. Angle 4 is here angle 1 plus angle 3 less than angle 5 value angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 get we cancel. The left is angle 3 less than angle 2. Now we know that we know that side opposite to given angle side opposite to given angle is 3, side opposite to angle 3 is greater than the side opposite of angle 2. Therefore, the opposite side of angle 3 is AB. AB less than opposite side of angle 2 is AC. It means AB less than AC. AB less than AC. Otherwise, if AB less than AC, it means AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB. Hence proved.